In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in HubSpot. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your processes, setting up workflows in HubSpot can significantly improve your efficiency. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps to create a workflow easily and quickly. First things first, you'll want to head over to HubSpot's homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Their homepage is your gateway to accessing your tools and software. Once there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, make sure you've already created an account, as you'll need to be logged in to proceed with setting up your workflows. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the HubSpot homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the features and tools available to you. From here, locate the automations option in the main navigation menu. This section is where all the automation magic happens. Click on it and it will lead you to a new page dedicated to automations. Once you're in the automation section, the next thing you'll do is click on the workflows tab. This is where you can manage existing workflows and of course create new ones. It's the hub for all your automated processes, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to it. Now that you're in the workflows section, you'll see an option usually marked as Create Workflow. Click on this to start building a new workflow from scratch. When you click this button, it typically opens up a new interface where you can begin defining the specific actions and conditions for your workflow. Creating a workflow in HubSpot involves a few more details, but from here you're on the right path to customizing it to meet your needs. You can set triggers based on user actions or data updates, and choose actions that the workflow performs automatically. Remember, the beauty of workflows lies in their ability to handle repetitive tasks, helping you focus on more strategic efforts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now equipped to create a workflow in HubSpot, enhancing your productivity and automating essential parts of your process. As you continue utilizing HubSpot's robust features, you'll discover new ways to tailor workflows to suit various business needs. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy automating!